On this video, I have the pleasure to introduce you to Diego. The first person is going to be certified as a hairbender. A lot of you have been asking for this hairstyle, so here you have it. To do this haircut, the best section you can do is separate the interior part of it from the exterior part of it, like a Diego did. To cut the perimeter, start on the bangs area using the freeform cutting technique with the razor. Here you can see how Diego holds the hair with the fingers and cut it with the razor. Continue using the same technique on the sides. If you wanna get a haircut with Diego and you live on Los Angeles area, here I'm going to leave on the description his information. You can also follow him on social media for more videos like this. On the nape area, continue using the same technique but do longer passes in vertical. To cut the interior part of this haircut and the layers, he's going to use the condensed cutting technique, doing a twist and cutting with the texturizing shears. To establish the length of the haircut, he's going to start first on the middle side of the back. To perform this technique, I always suggest that you use your fingers to get the measurement that you want. On this case, he's using 4 fingers of length. Continue the haircut by cutting the sides on an angle that is parallel to the head. The only thing you need to worry is to measure the 4 fingers. As you can see, he's leaving all the hair on the perimeter out of the equation. He's only cutting the interior part of the haircut. As you can see, he's not cutting layers on the top of the head. He's trying to leave this area and leave it longer. To make sure that the bangs don't get too heavy, he's going to be cutting on this area as well. To make the shape a little bit more round, he's going to be cutting on this area of the octagon. Once you're done drying the hair on a natural shape, you can use the freeform cutting technique with the razor and cut the pieces that you feel are needed. This will help to personalize the style by giving it more texture and direction. To get that well look finish that you see in Jungkook, you can actually use a little bit of gel. This will help you to take some of the volume down. Make sure you don't miss the next video from Diego. On that video, he's going to reproduce the haircut and the style from Ken from the group Biggs doing the musical Excalibur. You're a part of me and you give me life, and that's why now